When can I withdraw money from mutual funds without penalty? Breaking news for investors. A question many adults are asking right now is, when can I withdraw money from mutual funds without facing penalties? As more people look into their investment options, understanding the rules around mutual fund withdrawals is essential. Let's break it down to help you navigate your choices effectively. For most mutual funds, there is no specific penalty for withdrawing money. However, the timing and tax implications vary depending on the type of mutual fund and the account in which it is held. Open-end mutual funds typically allow investors to redeem shares at any time without a withdrawal penalty. But be cautious. Some funds may charge a short-term redemption fee if you sell shares within a certain period after purchase. This period often ranges from 30 to 90 days and is designed to discourage frequent trading. Tax implications are another important factor. If you sell mutual fund shares held in a taxable account, you may owe capital gains tax on any profits. If you held the shares for less than 1 year, gains are taxed at higher short-term rates. If you held them longer, they are taxed at lower long-term rates. Now, if your mutual funds are held in retirement accounts, such as individual retirement accounts or 401(k) plans, things change. Withdrawals before the age of 59.5 usually incur a 10% early withdrawal penalty, in addition to income tax, unless an exception applies. Recent legislative changes, including those in the Secure 2.0 Act, have adjusted some withdrawal rules for retirement plans. However, the 10% penalty generally still applies to early distributions from these accounts. Additionally, some investment products related to mutual funds, like multi-year guaranteed annuities, may have surrender charges if you withdraw funds before the end of the agreed term. However, they often allow penalty-free withdrawals of up to 10% annually. In summary, outside of retirement accounts, you can usually withdraw money from mutual funds without a penalty. Just be mindful of short-term redemption fees and tax consequences. Within retirement accounts, penalties typically apply for early withdrawals before age 59.5 unless specific exceptions are met. Always check the specific mutual fund's terms and your account type to understand any fees or penalties before making a withdrawal.